Hello everyone! In our practice lesson today, we're going to discuss context clues. Now, open your books to page 287, please, and let us start. Now, what are context clues? Context clues are words or phrases that help you figure out the meaning of an unfamiliar word. So if I have a word in a sentence that is unfamiliar means you don't know it. So if there's a word that you don't know the meaning of, you can look at the other words around it to help you learn the meaning. On page 287, you are asked to underline the context clues. So we're supposed to find the context clues that will help us find the meaning of the word that is in bold. These are the words in bold, the ones that are darker. Number 1. Now there is concern for bees. People are worried because the number of honeybees has been going down and no one is sure why. Now the word is concern. Which of these other words do you think can help us to figure out the meaning of the word concern? Give it a moment to think. If you need to pause the video, go on, pause it, and try to figure out the context clues. Very good. People are worried. Now, from the words worried, I can tell the meaning of the word concern. We have to write the meaning of the word concern on the line, and that is to worry. So if you're concerned, you are worried. If I say I'm concerned about something, it means I'm worried about that thing. Number 2, studies show that bee colonies in the United States are vanishing. The word is colonies. This is a problem that is being called colony collapse disorder. It was first noticed in 2006 by beekeepers. Large groups of bees living together had fewer bees. Again, I can tell the meaning of the word colonies using a context clue here. Try to figure it out before you see the answer. Very good. Large groups of bees living together. So, a large group of bees that are living together is called a colony. Therefore, the meaning of colonies is large groups of bees living together. Number 3. New unknown germs or tiny living things that can cause disease may also play a part in getting bees sick. A lack of food and water is also a problem for bees. Try to find the clue that will help you figure out the meaning of the word germs. Very good. Underline tiny living things that can cause disease. So what are germs? They are tiny living things that can cause disease. Number 4. Bees carry out the same process or series of actions. Now notice that sometimes context clues come right after the words. For many plants that farmers grow. Give it a moment. Very good. Series of actions. So process means a string of action. It means an action after an action after an action. That's a process. And number 5. Honeybees take sweet fluid called nectar from plants. They use this liquid to make honey in their hives. What is the meaning, or what are the clues that will help us to figure out the meaning of fluid? Very good. Liquid, because it says they use this liquid, which is the fluid. Therefore, a fluid means a liquid. Thank you very much for listening. Write your answers down.